Apply these 17 best techniques to remove mucus and phlegm naturally. Mucus in the body is natural and is required for proper functioning, so why get rid of it? Well, a surplus of everything is dangerous. The same is the case with mucus. Excessive mucus or phlegm can be due to infections, allergies, or lung disease. Whatever the cause is, there is one thing in common. It makes your life super uncomfortable and disturbs your daily routine. Coughing, headache, sore throat, and blowing the nose over and over. Ugh, horrible, right? But worry not, because we have some quick and effective ways by which you can get rid of mucus and phlegm naturally. So let's check them out. In today's video, we will share with you the 17 best ways to get rid of mucus and phlegm naturally. Number 1. Applying a warm, wet washcloth to the face. Placing a heated washcloth over your eyes and nose can warm the nasal passage, provide moisture, and loosen the mucus. It can also help in relieving sinus pain and sinus pressure. For doing this remedy, you have to take a clean towel or washcloth, dip it in warm water, and place it over your face for 2 to 3 minutes. Number 2. Drinking plenty of fluids. Though you may not feel like drinking a lot of fluid when suffering from a sore throat, it can help clear the mucus and phlegm, especially warm fluids like soups, herbal tea, or clear broths. A study published in the journal Chest suggests that drinking hot water or chicken soup increases nasal mucus velocity, keeps it thin, and helps it flow. In this way, your sinuses can drain the excess mucus and get rid of it. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 3. Using eucalyptus. The essential oil from the eucalyptus leaves possess significant antibacterial and antiviral effects. Inhaling vapors or rubbing essential oil on your chest helps loosen the mucus and clears the airways. A study published in the journal Cough found out that cineole, the main compound in eucalyptus essential oil, helps to break up the mucus and reduces inflammation. You can also add a few drops to a diffuser or warm water bath to get rid of excess mucus. Number 4. Eating plenty of fruit. According to a study published in the European Respiratory Journal, consuming fruits and vitamin E-rich foods reduce the prevalence of phlegm production. Bromelain, a group of enzymes present in pineapple, supports sinus function by reducing inflammation and mucus production. So try to eat plenty of fruit, especially pineapple, in cold seasons to avoid getting sick and keep your respiratory tract clear. Number 5. Taking a hot bath or shower. Hot showers and baths may not fully resolve the issue, but will surely help to ease the symptoms. Warm steam opens the stuffy air passages, allowing you to breathe easily. Hot water also helps with muscle aches and relieves headaches by dilating blood vessels. Moisture helps to make the mucus thin and clear out, reducing pressure from the sinus. Number 6. Avoiding foods that cause acid reflux. Avoid highly acidic and spicy foods like hot sauces and citrus foods that can cause acid reflux, especially if you are prone to heartburn. Acid reflux can spark the production of mucus and phlegm in the nasal passages and delay recovery. Instead of taking acidic and spicy foods, try consuming health-promoting foods like soups, broth, eggs, and other healthy protein sources. Number 7. Gargling with salt water. Try gargling about a half tablespoon of salt dissolved in warm water. It will help clear the mucus buildup in your respiratory tract, kill germs, and soothe your throat. Gargle the saline water in your throat, swish it around the mouth, and then spit it out in the sink. It is an easy and effective old remedy to get rid of mucus and phlegm from your system. Number 8. Keeping the air moist. When the air you are breathing in is too dry, it can disrupt the flow of mucus in your nose and sinuses, which causes more mucus production and leads to congestion. By using humidifiers, you can add water vapor to the air, keep it moist, and combat dryness. Just make sure to change the water of the humidifier and clean it frequently. Number 9. Using a saline nasal spray or rinse. A saline spray or irrigator keeps the mucous membrane moist, helps to get rid of mucus, and prevents inflammation. Do not forget to use a sterile nasal spray, and if you are using a nasal irrigation process, use distilled or boiled water to avoid any irritation and infection. Number 10. Avoiding alcohol and caffeine. Alcohol, coffee, and other caffeinated drinks are diuretics, which means they promote water loss and cause dehydration in the body. As a response to dehydration, the body tends to produce more mucus, which results in congestion. Use non-caffeinated herbal drinks like ginger tea, honey, cinnamon tea, or simply warm lemon water to get rid of mucus and phlegm from the body. Number 11. Avoiding irritants. When airways get exposed to irritants like chemicals, fragrances, or pollution, the body produces more mucus to clear the airways. Irritants can further cause inflammation of the air passages, which also increases mucus secretion. Keep your home dust-free, avoid aerosols, perfumes, aftershaves, and sprays, and wear a mask when there is smog in the air to avoid contact with irritants. Number 12. Keeping the head elevated. Mucus buildup affects daily life activities, including sleeping. While lying, you may feel like mucus is collecting at the back of your throat and suffer from breathing difficulties. Using pillows to elevate your head or sleeping in a reclining chair may help you with that. Avoid stacking up too many pillows and choose a comfortable position to avoid neck pain. Number 13. Not suppressing a cough. Coughs can be irritating, especially if it brings up phlegm, but it is the body's natural way of getting rid of secretions, and suppressing it is not a good idea. Coughing brings up the mucus from the lungs and prevents serious infections. Unless you are unable to sleep properly due to frequent coughing, it is advisable to not use cough suppressants. Number 14. Minimizing the use of decongestants. Decongestants are the type of medications that dry up the mucus and alleviate the runny nose. The problem is, if overused, such drugs can cause dryness in the mucous membrane, which makes it harder to get rid of mucus and phlegm and results in thick mucus production. It is essential to take advice from your physician before using any medication. Number 15. Keeping allergies in check. Seasonal allergies can cause irritation, runny or stuffy nose, and excess mucus production. It's better to take preventive measures like staying inside when the pollen count is high, keeping your home clean, and sipping warm beverages. Number 16. Not smoking and avoiding secondhand smoke. Though smoking cigarettes is always a bad idea, it is worst when suffering from infections. According to the American Thoracic Society, cigarette smoking induces the production of mucus and phlegm. The smoke causes the mucus-producing cells in the airways and lungs to grow, which results in excessive, thick mucus production that stays in the airways and makes you cough. The same goes for secondhand smoke. Number 17. Taking the right medicine. Medications known as expectorants help to expel the mucus by thinning and loosening it so that it won't sit in the back of your throat or chest and you can cough it out. But do not forget to consult with your physician before using these medications, and take them in the prescribed dose. Check to make sure these medicines don't include decongestants. With proper care, rest, and practicing the above ways, you can get rid of excess mucus and phlegm and make the symptoms less severe. If the condition does not improve with these remedies and rest, see a doctor, as there could be any critical condition or ailment. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!